Pupils and students in private schools will continue with their studies as their counterparts in public schools languish at home following a paralysis triggered by the ongoing teacher strike. High Court Judge Mumbi Ngugi granted the Kenya Private Schools Association an order to keep their institutions open until a case they have filed challenging a government directive to close all schools in the country is heard and determined.
Yes.
The government has in a statement defended its decision to close all schools and revise dates for the third term following the strike by the teachers over a pay dispute. The Education Ministry argues that with the teacher strike on, there was no need of keeping students in school unattended. The government argues that with no learning taking place in schools, there was restlessness among students and in some cases, tension had built up among learners who had been left idle under the care of very few teachers. The ministry says it revised the term dates to safeguard the security of the learners, staff and school property. The government says the directive to close schools covered all students, including those in private primary and secondary schools, because they run on the same education curriculum as public primary and secondary schools. This, according to the Education Ministry, was critical in securing uniformity in the curriculum experience of all learners across the 844 school system. Francis Gashuri, Citizen Live, at 1.